Hi, this is Ryan Davison from Schmersal USA in Canada. Today I'm just going to be doing a demonstration on how to program a basic program on our UAM scanner. So if we go to the New tab on the UAM Project Designer, we have our general program. We have three different types of access protection defaults, and then a AGV setting for guided vehicles. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to connect right to the scanner that I have powered up, and we'll program that way because that's the way I like to do it. When we connect, we will see that this scanner already has a program on it. It's just a program that I put on it for testing purposes, but we're going to change that and essentially reset it to a default state. So you can see here, I'm walking through the protection zone that's already in place. You can see my legs moving. I'm going to go to the configuration tab. I'm going to hit yes and enter in the password, which is 1234567 8. That is the default password. And then I'll just hit OK. It's going to read the settings and take you into the general tab of the configuration. So this is where you can set things like your username, your IP address of the device, and the product name. I'm going to go to the function tab, and this is where you actually do the setup of your functions. You have your active areas. You can do up to 31 or 32. You go to your left here, and there's all these different settings. You have external device monitoring, interlock, and you can see when I click on one of these, on the right side of the screen, it assigned a EDM1 wire, and it's going to be the green wire on your connector, and it does that automatically. For this example, I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to do a basic area protection program. So I'm going to go to the area tab, and this is where you actually draw in the zone that you want to protect. So all this blue, that's scanning from the room. So this is everything that the camera sees, and then the red is the protection zone. I'm going to go ahead and clear it so that it's basically a default parameters, just like that. And now I'm going to draw in a new protection zone, and I'm just going to protect the area in front of me and then a little bit of the area behind me. And then I'm going to change up the warning zones as well, which will give me a separate output just to warn that I'm getting close. Just like this. Awesome. Yeah, so warning 2, I'll extend out just a little bit, and then warning 1 as well. Then I'll go ahead and I'll hit confirm. This is going to give you a summary of your program. So you're going to go to the left. You're going to click on the function tab, look over your functions, and the area tab, and look over your areas, and then transmit to sensor, and then you're going to hit yes. And this is going to take a little bit, maybe 30 seconds to a minute. And then once this is done, it's going to disconnect you from the sensor, just like this. And then you can reconnect if you want to monitor or take a look and see how everything is working. So I'm just going to do that. And then, yeah, now you can see that I'm in the zone. In the top left, you can see those 3 green dots, and they'll change state depending on which zone you're breaking. And that's pretty much it in terms of programming the Hokuyo scanner. If you have any questions or if you need help with a more advanced program, just give us a call and let us know, and we're happy to help. Thanks.